Beautiful plate decoration with carrot and cucumber ingredients. Fresh carrots, fresh cucumber, sharp knife or slicer. Round serving plate. How to make it. 1. Prepare the vegetables. Wash carrots and cucumber well. Peel carrots if desired. 2. Slice the vegetables carrots. Cut carrots into thin round slices about 2 to 3 millimeters thick. Cucumber. Cut cucumber into thin round slices of similar thickness. 3. Arrange the outer ring. Start at the outer edge of your plate. Place alternating slices of carrot and cucumber in a circle, overlapping them slightly to form a pretty ring. 4. Make the inner circle. Inside the first ring, make a smaller circle in the same way. Again, alternate carrot and cucumber slices in a round pattern. 5. Create